So, the brand new iPhone 12 mini. Well, we got the new small box, iPhone logo like usually. Nothing on the back, nice iPhone logo in the front. Well, let's open this box slowly to get the sound of enjoyment. Get that out of here. Okay, so, open this box, a little round of applause. Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. Blue. Alright, let's set this aside. First of all, next to the cards. And let's check out this cable. This cable is now a USB Type-C and Lightning. And in here, we got a usual pin like always. A little Apple sticker, only one though. And this little weird paper instruction. I do not know what they did that. So let's move all this aside and look at this beauty. Let's pull the sticker off and see what lays behind it. Oh, so beautiful. Ooh, look at that edge. Smooth, matte. Back is, ooh, so shiny. That collects a lot of fingerprints though. The camera area is also matte. The display itself looks really nice, and I think I'm gonna enjoy it. The sides again look very, very good. And yeah, the camera again. And if you look actually at the display with the glass, it is now the same with the edges. So it's not as big as it used to be. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.